So much work went into the Chumash play, and most of it my wife did. So I wanted to thank her, especially last, so that way she'd have the proper things separate from everyone else, because so much depended on what she did at home, in school, and helped out so much.
Some of you know that I'm an organized person, but today's speech I actually prepared 3 years ago when I first heard the story. I heard the story, and it concerns one of the students in this class and the family of that student. It was 1945 in Vilna, after the war. It was Simchat Torah, the holiday of the giving of the Torah, rejoicing with the Torah. And the story concerns a Soviet soldier who unfortunately was wounded twice in the war. And he came to Vilna, came back to the city that once had 100,000 Jews, and now there were less than 3,000. And he came back to the shul, to the Beit Knesset where he had originally prayed, and he walked in and he saw a child. A father brought a child to shul, and the soldier was amazed, shocked, because he'd walked for miles and miles, and he hadn't seen a Jewish child. And he went over to the child and he asked him if he was Jewish, and he told him that he was. And as Simchat Torah, the holiday, the dancing, rejoicing with the Torah, they realized that tragically they didn't have a Sefer Torah. The Nazis had burned them all. But this man, this Soviet soldier, said, "We have a living Torah." And he picked up the child on his shoulders, and they danced, and they danced and danced for one of the most beautiful, incredible, emotional memories of Simchat Torah. That Soviet soldier, that wonderful Jewish Soviet soldier, is the great-grandfather of one of the students in our class today, Shimon Herman. Rabbi Goldman, Vivian Aronson's father, should continue to live a long and healthy life, was that soldier. And the child was Abe Foxman. Many of you, of course, have heard of him. He is the head of the New York-based ADL, the Anti-Defamation League, who fight against, obviously, racial and religious discrimination. 3 years, I don't know when, as far as I know the story, when Abe Foxman told the story at a speech that he gave in Yad Vashem, a researcher put the clues together. There had been a song made by a songwriter in Toronto about the story because each family told the story unbeknownst that they would ever meet up. And 3 years ago, they met. Abe Foxman went to see Rabbi Goldman in Detroit. But Abe Foxman came here to our school as well. Hart Haston brought him for a dinner or an occasion. And when he came, he met Vivian Aronson, and more especially, he made a point to go and meet Shimon Herman, Sonia Herman. Those were the Herman children who were here at the time. And I knew then and there, that day, that that was the story of the second grade Chumash party. Because what a story. Sometimes we think of Torah as a book, as a text, but it's much more than that. It is a way of life. It is the future of the Jewish people, the inexorable bond from generation to generation. And what a merit, what a zchut that Shimon Herman is one of the students today in this class receiving his Chumash for the very first time. I would also like to take this opportunity, in speaking of emotional memories, to thank Rabbi Gluck. Rabbi Gluck is my student, all right? So he learned certain things from me, and very importantly, this week when they were practicing, and please know that they took 1 week of class time to work on this production, only 1 week. And Zita Nurak, his wonderful co-teacher who played beautifully for him today, said to me, you know, he should have been a filmmaker. And I thought for, I don't know, 20 seconds, and I said, no, he is and should be a teacher, because that's what the stuff of teaching is made of. It is these emotional memories, because 30 years from now, they may never remember. We won't remember a pasuk, some semantic memory, but we will always remember really, really, and the camels, and everything else that went into making today the special emotional memory that it is. I'm very proud of the second grade, appreciate the second grade parents, who as a group are such a wonderful, supportive group of parents in our school. We are welcoming all of you and wishing everyone Mazel Tov on this extremely auspicious occasion. Thank you also to all the Academy staff, the technical staff, all the Judaic staff who all helped out with today's production. And now we're going to do the presentation of the Chumashim to the students.